Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm giving you a quick rundown of my 7 favourite items I like to use when I'm making my sewing projects. First up we have got, of course, scissors. These are my dressmaking shears and these are absolutely perfect for making sure that my material is cut in straight lines. I like to use the dressmaking shears because they are curved, which means that the fabric can lie flat on the table and I can use my scissors and it will cut the most perfect straight lines. Also, with scissors like this, it is important that you don't use them to cut anything else such as paper or card, because that can make them really blunt. Also, I like to have a really small pair of sharp scissors. These are absolutely perfect if we are snipping round seams when we are turning on our projects inside out, and these are really perfect for making sure we cut through all of our threads really close to our material without damaging our projects. Next up we have glass head pins. I do really like using these. They're easy to handle when using them in material, and the little glass balls on the top means that they don't get lost inside the material, which is perfect because the last thing you want to do is lose a pin. They also come in varying lengths as well, so depending on what fabric you are using, you could use a longer length pin or a shorter one. The next item I could not live without has got to be a tape measure. I like these little retractable ones because they don't look messy and they don't get damaged, they just retract back inside. Tape measures are really handy if you are measuring out patterns, if you're measuring hems, if you want to line up buttonholes and get the position right. Tape measures are really valuable. It is recommended to replace your tape measure often. While it's good to use an old tape measure that's been probably in the family for years, they can get stretched over time. It's always worth bearing in mind that you need a good tape measure in good condition to get you the most accurate results when measuring your material. Next up I have my quilting ruler. This is really handy for allowing me to measure the material and allowing me to cut along the edges to obtain straight lines as well. It gives really precise measurements for any sewing project that I'm doing, but it's really useful if you are doing it for quilting projects. And with the quilting ruler I also like to use a rotary cutter. The rotary cutter also helps to achieve really straight lines into our material and really clean cuts as well, and we just use that by rolling along the side of the quilting ruler. But make sure that when you're using this, you use it on a self-healing mat, because the last thing you want to do is damage any workspace that you've got. My next favourite item is fabric pens. I find these really useful for marking out patterns when I am making sewing projects. I have them in 3 different colours. They work on most coloured materials, but if I had a really dark material then I could just use chalk or something very similar. The last thing I like about these fabric pens is that once my project is complete, if any of the pen remains on the material, then all I need to do is run an iron over it and any pen marks that are left will just disappear. And my final sewing item that I like to use are these plastic clips. These are fantastic for holding material together, especially if you've got bulky material and you've got lots of different layers or zips or anything. They're really sturdy and hold everything in place. And the thing I like about the clips over the pins is it doesn't leave any ugly looking holes in your material either. They just simply clip on. Once you've sewn in that area, then just simply remove them and they leave no trace at all. I really hope you enjoyed my insight into my favourite sewing items. I will leave a link in the description below for all the items that I've purchased if you are interested in buying them. And I would love for you to leave me a comment to let me know what your favourite sewing items are. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.